You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
I'm just looking for Famba say UK tour. Right now, we are right in live in Birmingham with the one and only Dadza D. Dadza D. Yes, Ndibo. Right. Dadza D va virisa pa stage hapo. Hanzi magetsa aenda. Uku munhu wesanga ngoti charge. Right. Dadza D. Right. Charge no.
Well, you put your cell phone on a charger. Yeah. What does it write? Says charging.
Yes.
So when we say charging, we say we're charging. Yes. Yeah, man, that's what it means. We always on socket. Yes. Yeah, man, battery never empty. And it never full. Yes. Always charging.
Anzi tinoshanda ne battery kwete magetsi kana solar panel and battery repair. Right. That's the day. It's your first time in the UK.
True.
Right. How did you feel about the whole performance? You know, you performing right in front of the UK crew.
Yeah. Well, every time everything turn up loud. I'm so proud. I love the love, you know. What about Zimbabweans? Them come out and support, and the love is just amazing. Trust me. From the airport up until now, the love is amazing. We had the safe journey, the best journey, and everything set and nice. Much love, you don't know. One love we are dealing with. Kuno bwana kabata na aya. Apana kudanzi, vanoda artist who for no. They support and they listen. As long as you deliver good stuff, they always respond.
So that's the day.
Yeah, man.
Remember we met, a couple of years ago, and I had this question to you, and I said, that's the day. 5 years from now, yes. Where do you see yourself? Remember me asking you that question?
True, you did. Remember I told you, yes. Sky is the limit, yes. And the limit is the sky.
Right. So when I asked you that question a few years ago, yeah. Did you ever thought that you was gonna be here in London, in Birmingham, performing at this time and moment, at that time when I asked you?
Well, I wouldn't say I thought I was gonna be here, but I know through the powers of the Most High and the talent, you can reach places as long as you give people good stuff. People appreciate, because right now Zim Dancehall is growing, and I believe we are the foundation of it. We have started with Zim Dancehall since 98, before everything gone like this. So, it's a journey. It might take long for a person to get where he wants to get, but then...
I'm going to stop you there. I'm going to stop you. But, I'm going to ask you the same question, because this is a couple of years after.
Yeah, man.
It's about 3 years after the same question I asked Dadza D. When are you going to be in the next 5 years? Right. I'm going to ask you again. Right. Today you're in Birmingham, in UK. In 5 years' time again, where is Dadza D going to be?
Well, I know one thing. Zim Entertainment is everywhere Zimbabweans are there. Zim Entertainment is Dadza D. So for the next 5 years, I tell you, me and Zim Entertainment, we are going to reach far. We can't say where. Because 5 years or 3 years ago, you asked me that question, don't I had. And today, you asked me the same question in Birmingham. That means say Zim Entertainment is everywhere. So sky is the limit for Dadza D and Zim Entertainment and every Zimbabwean. You see it? Believe in yourself, sky is the limit. The most I can bless you. You go places. We want to go moon, we want to go Mars, we want to go Pluto. Planet we are dealing with.
Charge. Whether you charge via Bluetooth, via Wi-Fi, it's all the same thing. We all charging at the end of the day.
We all charging at the same time. I don't know. I remember say Birmingham is summertime. Yes. So I say everything turn up loud. Yes. But still, we the fireman, we change the weather when it's cold. Yes. We are hot like Giza. You see me? When it's hot, we make it hot like lava. More than volcano. You don't know. I say the thing turn up loud. Birmingham, I love you to the fullest. Zim Entertainment to the world. Jano Star.
Right. Before you go, Dadza D.
Birmingham. Everybody say charge. Say charge. Charge. Regan box I chino one. Ono zakuno kune order. Because my gates are end. But good then. Hakuna order. My gates are end. Saka my phone and charger. Doesn't have to go to charge. What we say?
Charge it. Send it, man. Pull up and send it up top. Yo. You big up King Alfred, you don't know. Anyway, you don't know. The whole entourage, Oscar. Send it, no man. Everybody give me this. Give me this. Everybody. Over here, sir. Give me this. Give me this. Why? What is that one of them? I get tired. Hey, what? I get tired. Hey, what? I get tired. No. Now one of them. Imagine, in the middle of a big we're going to come. I get tired. I get tired. Imagine, what can be done? You have to go. I get tired. I get tired. Imagine, what's up, man? Which country you come? I get tired. I get tired. Imagine, hey, yo, just imagine. One job. Tata say, wapinda baba so mageti wopo aditi wakerwa so dapaka tichete twa. Ayenda chi, tanga Mr. T, tanga PTT, tanga paditi musoro kunge pote. Hey, kodata dina wikidina dati dimu no kova twasediga kusina makete. No no mona, moto mwati ngura, no pana muti makuro kuro no misapike. Hey, ta, no mlita gande mupata. Birmingham, let me tell you this.
Tineka system kedu pana pake kuti vana vasati vabuda vanofana kuti chargira. Yeah. So, pao kama wedu ndimo fella, you know. Yeah, I like to take it personal, yeah. Ndimo fella. And remember this patch here ari kuya futi ndimo fella pao kama wedu. True. Right. Tichajiroga kanaka 1 kanaka 2. Ongotiroroga something, you know, for the Zim Entertainment fans.
Yes, Zim Entertainment, you don't know. Ndaona hora kunuku. Vana jongo jingo tomoka. Sakana songopeza nango wati batai wenyu. Weda no penga, yeah, batai wenyu, weda no fufa, oh, batai wenyu, weda no dunya. Charge, yo, well, Jacques make sense, Janeka test, Tino tender tens, Tanema sense, Janeka bleva ponza elda diva, what? Ndara, Dada, Saga, Usadaro, Dotodaro, yeah, Digasadaro, Vano Saranenaro, charge, Dirguka Kanaro, yeah. Ndandi nungo bizano nzamvaro cause madofo ngogi ole madak bogi koku hukura chirku hukuru hapana ngotsa ura Zim Entertainment to the world big up yourself simple trade hangolosa order charge
right nyama keti yakukonzeresa utishaya matawa lights saka kufamba usiku hakuchaita. Do you know why? Can I tell you why? Huh? It's why we take. It's why we take. Now one on him. Yao. Cha. Ukavambo sekunda tebu no bat kwa ngunzu. Uruwek. Ukavambo sekunda te yabu buku nyuke. Ukavambo sekunda tebu no bat kwa ngunzu. Uruwek. Ukavamba siku na tina upuko nyuke. Wando upuko nyuke. Unota wati ta. Ta. Waro wane upata. Ukasake mugajiti hane dale kafani. Kurumita. Tatoti pata. Win. Hey. Charge.
We're here in London. Or maybe I can say Birmingham. You know, with Dadza D. Courtesy of Y2K and One Heritage Promotion. Right, that's the D, before you leave. Right. Kune wamwa wafana wawasia ghetto. Wobo. Ne mama madara wawasia ghetto. Wobo. Ne ma producer awasia. Andone. Ne ma promoter. Anokusimbisa day and night. Kuti unzi Dadza D nasi. Pane kwa okava. Pane wanokusimbisa. Right. Ne wamwa warimo futi muno mchana. Wanokusimbisa. Right. You wanna give a shout out to anybody?
Yeah, I just want to give a shout out to everybody who's watching right now. Yes. And all the foundation crew. You don't know, from producers to the fans to the promoters. Everyone, bega agitated titega. Munozaru play a role, but kunyanya ma fans. They are now appreciating. You know what they do? You give them something, they listen. If they don't like it, they won't buy it. And they'll tell you straight, yo, we don't feel this. But me say patience is a virtue. We don't rise all at the same time. You see, there's time for everyone. And the promotion, especially in England, because it's open to everyone. Back in the days, it used to be one person or 2 or 3. But now, you know, every man is going to get a blind. but we all got different times. So I just want to thank everybody from where it starts. Up until now.
Right. Before you leave, right. Those are Urim Dara. Dadza.
Yeah, man.
Pamangoma Urim Dara. Wagara Waka Chacha.
Sekuru Chachu.
Anzu kuna zvibaba zvacho. Ichi granddad. Unogana vari kuno kundivananzi ma granddad. And right. Kune vafana variko vari kutanga mazwano vari kupisa. Vanoda support, vanoda words of wisdom. And one. Kune madara ana Dadza. Right. Kana uriwe samdara Dadza. What would you like to say to them to give them encouragement? Kuti varambe vachipisa mangoma.
Yeah, man. I just want to tell them, say, stay focused. Don't deal with negative. Believe in God and respect the next man, whether young or old, and obey your parents and just love one another. Zim Dancehall is on the peak now, and the cake is getting too small, and the mouth, you see me now, but you just have to stay focused and try look for your own style. You see me? Don't get involved in negative items, whether beef, pork, chicken, fish,
Even ribs.
you see. Just stay focused, stay positive, and encourage the next youth and the next elder man. That's how the thing go. Stay focused, always keep your head up and stay positive. Zim Entertainment Y2K. One heritage, one family. Zimbabwe to the fullest. Yeah.
Rastafari.
The Almighty.
Right. Tapeza. Thank you, Dadza D.
I will say the tune name alphabetically. Yeah. Well, no. Yeah. Listen, it's alphabetically. Well, alphabetically, bending automatically. Fire burn them, and the bulla them a man a pally. Yeah, no for them falling in a fire valley. When you go through them, anytime them pan a valley. Well, alphabetically, bending automatically. Fire burn them, and the bulla them a man a pally. Yeah, you see me fireman a chitty chatty. Low, everybody say hey. Hey, alphabetical ways automatic I'm aiming. Affirmative and effective academics and in abandoning of sin and emotionally acute action. Wardrobe P biblically, biologically, bombastically, bionic, biotic, bunny babila, bunny bakwaita, bunny bugama, bunny but bunny betrayed a be way that be fair, be good, be there. For the blaster bomb flop, blood be a Batman. Pow! Hey. Charge here. Say it again, no man. Yes, King of Rebbe, give yourself down on me, daddy. I'm the same way star. Same rhythm, aya. Yo, Birmingham, I'm not joking, think this. Yes, man, big up yourself down. Well, now, I said the name alphabetically, serious thing this. Boy. Well, alphabetically, bending automatically. Fire burn them, and the Buddha, them a man a pally. Yeah, no for them falling in a fire valley. When we go slew them, anytime they pan a valley. Well, alphabetically, bending automatically. Fire burn them, and the Buddha, them a man a pally. Somebody say, hey, one drop. Alright, hey, alphabetical ways automatic comes a aiming. Affirmative and effective academics say in. Abandon and abstain and emotionally. Acute action and ambition. P, biblically, biologically, bombastically, bionic, biotic, bunny babila, bunny backbiter, bunny booger, bunny batima, bunny betrayed, be way, be fair, be gay, be there. Ponde blaster, pump flop. Barefoot black man, rich and big badger, better bash backyard, big blaze blander, bumper, boom, low. See, coordinate, cooperate, communicate, conversate, collaborate, can't contest, can't clash, can't contaminate, can't contrast, case class confusion, can't conquer, good consolidate conscious. Hold on. After C, what do we get? D. 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 Charge it. Send it, no man. What is a one of them? T, Dadza D, again T, Dadza D, again T, Dadza D, again D, Dadza D, again D, Dadza D, again D, Dadza D, again D, Dadza D. Don't do distraction, devaluation, deformation, disillusion. Don't the deepest damage, don't the dirty photo countless. Diplomatic danger damage. E, entertainer, everybody's elevator. Eject or emancipate. Yes. Charge it. Battery full, it don't know. Battery original, it don't know.
You have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.